Sales and Service. Schmiedewerke Gröditz GmbH and Elektrostahlwerke Gröditz GmbH produce high-quality steel products under this motto. The objective of the activities of our company is the production and delivery of products which fully meet the expectations, the requirements and the needs of our customers. Since the very beginning, success of the products has always been reflected in our efforts to comply with the demands and needs of our customers. Our superior quality, our incomparable flexibility in the execution and fulfillment of orders, as well as being in close contact with our customers, have contributed to the success of our company. 600 qualified employees with many years of experience, modern facilities and up-to-date equipment which meet high technical standards ensure that we fulfill orders on time in excellent quality at competitive prices. GmbH sees its main objective in ensuring the raw material supply for our company. The steelwork produces ingots in different weight ranges and formats, round, rectangular and polygonal ingots as well as slabs, and supplies liquid steel to the steel foundry. Continuous technical innovations and investments in our modern production plants ensure our strength. One example is our modern electroslag remelting plant. In this ESR plant, we produce remelted ingots from 3.8 to 84 metric tons, whereby all processes are controlled and monitored from the control desk, and all data is documented. Open die forgings for complex applications are forged from either vacuum degassed polygonal or rectangular ingots or slabs, or from round ingots which have been refined in our ESR plant. The open die forgings are produced either on our 27 meganewton or on our 60 meganewton open die forging press, which are both equipped with manipulators and integral control systems. Forging and annealing furnaces play a major role in the production of our forgings. Impressive way is how an ingot is forged in several forging operations, with interim heating operations in becoming a retaining ring for turbo generator application. Here a section of an ESR ingot is forged. Afterwards the part is pre-punched. Here again absolute precision is required by the forging press operator. Treatment is one step in the production chain, but must not be underestimated as a result. In principle, properties of the components in use are the result of heat treatment. The heat treatment equipment available in our works meets all technical requirements such as soft annealing, normalizing and quenching, and tempering in oil or water. From start to finish, our quality department is always on hand to ensure that products are produced in superior quality and accuracy. A large number of testing equipment for destructive, non-destructive material analysis, etc. are available on site. Each working process is supported and monitored by computer. The high quality standard in our works is documented by certification to DIN EN ISO 9001-2000. Stock to meet the requirements of our customers. As a result of our great flexibility, we can also quickly and reliably deliver to meet short-term demands. We are outstanding due to our innovativeness, on-time delivery,